Godrej Consumer Product Limited surely came out with its Q4 update, and when you look at it, this pre-quarter update, actually there's commodity inflation as well as the sustained subdued performance in the Indonesia business, which has seen an impact. So obviously some impact is coming in on the overall performance of the company. Now GCPL's Q4 FY22 will be mainly affected by the commodity inflation, slowdown in the domestic market, that impacts the key segments as well as the sustained subdued performance in the Indonesia business, like I mentioned. Now India business, let's talk about the breakup there. The company expects to close to a double-digit sales growth, which is mainly driven by the price increases that the company has taken. So it's going to be more of a pricing-led growth than a volume-led growth, and the company has taken price hikes in their personal care portfolio, including soaps. Obviously the inflation in these categories was much higher, so they had to take price hikes. So surely keeping an eye out on that, because it will be a pricing-led growth this time. Now obviously inflationary environment is something that will see an impact on the overall domestic sales volume during the quarter as well. So surely watch out for the volume growth of the company as well. Personal care segment, talking about that, sustained a double-digit growth due to the price hikes that the company has taken, and overall mainly the personal wash category, which has seen a good growth as from more price hikes, so that is what is leading the growth. Home care registered a subdued performance this time around, with a relatively muted season, especially coming in from the household insecticide segment. So let's keep an eye out on that one. Household insecticides category was actually doing quite well for a while. Now this is a bit of a muted season coming in for the HI segment. International performance, let's talk about that. Indonesia business surely has been under pressure. It's expected to post a high teen sales digit decline in Indonesia business, so maybe around 15% or above of a decline, because it's high teen sales decline is what the company has highlighted, mainly affected by the higher sales of the hygiene product in the base quarter. So base quarter was higher. Because of that, we're seeing Indonesia business is seeing a bit of an impact coming in. Let's talk about the Africa business. GAUM business, that has continued to do well and has continued to clock a double-digit growth. Even this time, mid-teens is what the growth is expected at. And overall, this is around the 7th quarter, I think, that they are seeing a strong performance coming in the GAUM segment as well. So overall, GCPL is expected to post a mid-single-digit revenue growth at a consolidated level. So surely keeping an eye out on that one. And however, they have continued to gain market share, so let's not forget that 85% of the portfolio has gained market share this time around, keeping an eye out on that one. And the stock also has seen a bit of a correction, 21% correction in the last 3 months, and last 6 months it's almost 30% as well. So the stock is currently trading at a discounted valuation of 34 times the FY23 earnings. So watch out for how the stock actually performs at trade as well.